Can I just say something that nobody else is saying? Being a young mom is hard. You're running on no sleep, holding everything together for everyone else. And somewhere in the back of your mind, there's this quiet voice asking, is this it? Is this really all there is? And maybe you've Googled how to make money from home at 11 p.m. while the kids are finally asleep. And maybe you watch videos, saved posts, even bought something, and nothing clicked. I see you. And I want you to know that there is a way out. And it's more simple than anyone has made it seem. Now, let me paint a picture and tell me if this sounds familiar. You wake up already behind, the kids need breakfast, and someone can't find their shoes. I mean, we've been there, and you haven't even had your coffee yet. And then you spend your whole day giving to your kids, to your job, to everyone around you. And by the time night comes and the house is quiet, you're too exhausted to do anything except scroll on your phone and wonder how other moms seem to figuring it out. And the worst part, you want more. Not just money though. Yes, that too. You want options. You want to stop doing the math every single time you go to the grocery store. You want to be present with your kids without the financial stress sitting on your chest every single day. But every time you try to find a way forward, it feels overwhelming. And there are too many options, too many people promising things that you have zero time to figure out what's real and what's just the hype. So you stay stuck. Not because you're lazy, no. Not because you don't want it badly enough, but because nobody has handed you something simple, clear, and actually built for someone in your season in life until now. And here's what I want you to understand. You do not need a big following. You don't need to be a tech person. You don't need to create your own product or figure out complicated systems. What you need is a workflow, something repeatable, something that fits into the small pockets of time that you actually have. Because here's the truth. Most moms who are earning online aren't working 8 hours a day to do it. They're working smart with the hours they have. And that's the difference between spinning your wheels and actually moving forward. And I want to tell you about something called the 2-hour workflow. And before you think, yeah, right, 2 hours, sure. Hear me out, please. This isn't about hustling harder. It's about having a clear step-by-step system that shows you exactly what to do in the time that you already have. And you start earning 100% profit online daily. No big startup costs, no product to create, no audience you have to spend years building first. Just a blueprint built for real people, real families, and real life, including yours. This is where the legacy builders come in, because this isn't a corporate, here's your course, good luck situation. No. This is a community of people, a lot of them moms just like you, who are learning how to turn 2 hours a day into real daily income. And the blueprint has already helped thousands of families create income online. And the result, people are seeing anywhere from $100 to $1,400 a day in passive income. And those aren't fairy tales. Those are real people who are exactly where you are right now, who decided to stop waiting for the perfect moment and just started. And here's my favorite part. You don't need to have it all figured out, because you just need to begin. The blueprint walks you through everything step by step, and it's built for someone who is starting from zero. Someone who is busy, someone who is tired of being told that financial freedom is only for people who already have money, time, or a massive online following. It's built for you. So if you are a young mom who is done just surviving and ready to actually build something, even in just 2 hours a day, I want you to take one small step today. Not tomorrow, not when things slow down, because we both know things don't slow down. Today, I left a link in the comments below. Go check it out. It costs you nothing to look at it, and it might be just a thing that changes everything for you. You deserve options. You deserve peace, and you deserve to build something that lasts. Not just for you, but for your kids. So go check the comments. The link is waiting for you. And if this video spoke to your heart, share it with another mom who needs to hear it, because we are all in this together. I'll see you in the next one.